How to put slide cream on a trombone slide. If you've ever played the trombone, you'll have been warned when you purchased it that its sliding mechanism brass needs to be lubricated with a cream every few days, every few weeks, depending on how much you use it. To ensure it's working at its maximum potential of ease for the player, this article will explain how you can apply this cream to the trombone slide. Steps. 1. Remove the slide cover so the whole slide is showing. 2. Locate the part of the slide that is wider in diameter than the rest of it. This is normally at the very end of the slide. This is the part of the slide that should be rubbing the most when in use. 3. Put about a pea-sized glob of cream onto your finger, and spread it onto the wider part of one of the rods of the slide. Once you have covered that part of the slide, you should only have a little bit of extra cream. Spread this onto the rest of that rod. 4. Repeat the process of step 3 on the other rod. 5. Put each rod back into its cover one by one, and twist it around while pumping it into the cover. 6. Spritz. Use a water spritzer to spray down both of the rods. Just enough to coat the rods finely with beads of water. 7. Repeat step 5. 8. Check to see how the rods of the slide look. If they have the same luster as normal, then you are good to go. If they look slimy and greasy, then take a cloth and wipe off only the thinner part of the rods. The slide will look shiny as always, and will do its job very nicely. Tips. It's easiest to take apart your trombone and just work with the slide. If your trombone case has a pocket, then you may want to use that as a storage space for your slide cream and water spritzer, so it's always right with your trombone when you need it. If you store your water spritzer in your case, consider storing it empty and filling it when you need it so it doesn't spill. Things. Slide cream. Water spritzer. Cloth that you are willing to use exclusively for slide cream. The cloth will be ingrained with the cream, and will spread the cream to other things even after washing,